From writing a heartfelt birthday message to planning a family trip, AI isn't just a buzzword. It can be your everyday helper. Stick around because at the end, I'll share a free downloadable with ready-to-use prompts you can start using right away. In part 1, we showed how AI is already in your daily life. In part 2, we explored the risks, deepfakes, scams, and voice cloning. Now in part 3, let's flip the script and look at the good, smart, creative, and time-saving wins. Welcome back to CyberShieldTV. If you're new, I'm Ken, and this channel is all about staying safe and smart in the digital world. If that sounds helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. AI can take the stress out of personal notes. Struggling with a greeting card? Ask, write me 3 short birthday messages for my sister who loves hiking. You'll get quick, personal-sounding ideas you can tweak. It's great for budgeting and meal planning too. Tools like ChatGPT or Notion AI can build a weekly plan under $60 using what's already in your fridge. Just say, here's what I have. Make 5 quick, high-protein dinners. Less waste, less stress. Travel planning? Ask AI. Plan a 4-day trip to Boston with history, seafood, and 1 free day. It can map schedules, restaurants, even packing lists. Pair it with Google Maps or TripIt and save hours. For work, AI shines at summaries and drafts. Drop in meeting notes and ask, summarize into 5 action items, then write an email update. Notion AI or Microsoft Copilot make this seamless. And on the creative side, need Instagram captions or YouTube titles? I can pump out options in seconds. Even Canva has AI tools for posts and layouts. The secret is being specific. Tell AI the role, chef, travel agent, writing coach, and watch it adapt. One last reminder, AI isn't perfect. Always fact check, never share sensitive info, and use it as a helper, not a replacement for judgment. If you've enjoyed this AI 101 series, now's the time to subscribe. We've covered the basics, the risks, and now the opportunities. And, as a thank you, grab the free PDF with all the prompts from this series, plus bonus ones linked below. Thanks for watching Part 3 of AI 101. Be sure to check out Parts 1 and 2 in the playlist, or share the series with a friend who wants a clear, calm guide to AI.